Hello friends, welcome to SSDN Technologies. Due to COVID-19, the year 2020 is a digital year. Or we can say due to worldwide lockdown, from business to individuals, from shopping to education, meeting has been shifted to conference calls and business have now providing more freelancing and work from home opportunity to the IT guys. So in this session, we will discuss the top 10 programming language which will rule the IT sector in 2021. If you are a beginner who want to make career in the IT but not able to decide from which programming language you can take a step ahead, then this session is for you. In this, we will provide you info about the top 10 programming languages and their salary packages. So let's get started. To know about other IT courses like Python, data science and machine learning, subscribe to SSDN Technologies and press the bell icon. Number 10. C#. It is easy to learn, object-oriented, rich libraries and fast. Its first version is released in 2001. It uses almost similar syntax to C. It is fully integrated with the .NET and has easy integration with the Windows. The application of C# are VR games, Windows 8 and 10, game development. Companies which are hiring are Cipla, Canara Bank, Cadila Healthcare, and the average package is 3 to 4 lakh per annum. Number 9. Go. It is an open source programming language that makes it easy to build simple, reliable, and efficient software. It is statistically typed. The application of Go are Google Cloud Platform, media platform, and news outlets. The organizations which are hiring are Pulley, SpaceMesh, Google, Okta, and the average salary for the Go developer is 3.6 to 4 lakh per annum. Number 8. C++. It is one of the highly efficient and flexible language. It was created back in 1985. It has remained high in demand due to its performance and reliability. It also supports OOPS and have rich libraries. The applications of C++ are game development, web and mobile solutions, desktop applications and embedded system. Organizations which are hiring are Adobe Photoshop, Microsoft, Google, and the average salary is 4 to 5 lakh per annum. Number 7. Swift. It is a general purpose open source compiled programming language developed by Apple. So if you are the one who want to develop native iOS or Mac apps, Swift is deeply influenced by Python, that is fast, more secure, easy to read and debug. And most important, it is easy to learn. The applications of Swift are Apple App Development and Software Development. Organizations which are hiring are Slack, Apple, 9gag, and the average salary is 5.5 to 6 lakh per annum. Number 6. JavaScript. It is the most popular language for front-end development and relevant to backend also. It's rapidly expanded into areas like game development and the Internet of Things. It allows the developer to build interactive websites and it's truly an essential web tool technology alongside with HTML and C++. The applications of JavaScript are game development, web and mobile app development, desktop app. Organizations which are hiring are Microsoft, PayPal, Netflix, Groupon, and the average package is 6 to 7.5 lakh per annum. Number 5. R. R was designed by Robert Gentleman at the University of Auckland. This project was conceived in 1992. The R is a comprehensive statistical analysis language which encourages you to develop new ideas. R is open source software. R is good for GNU, Linux, Microsoft Windows. It is quite difficult to learn R as compared to Python. The applications of R is in data science, statistical computing, machine learning. Organizations which are hiring are Capgemini, Cognizant, Accenture, and the average salary is 7 lakh per annum. Number 4. Kotlin. Kotlin is a Google Andros programming language, now has become the most loved programming language. It is generally developed by JetBrains and fully operable with Java and comes with no limitation. It also supports functional programming. The applications of Kotlin are Android development, web development, desktop development, and server-side development. Kotlin has been used by Coursera, Uber, Pinterest, and Postmates, and the same has been hiring for the same. The salary ranges from 7 to 8 lakh per annum. Number 3. PHP. This language has an interesting story. It has been created for a purpose of maintaining personal home page and now has taken over 83% of the websites globally. It is used to create web pages written in HTML. The application of PHP is develop static or dynamic websites. Organizations which are hiring are Facebook, Yahoo, MailChimp, and the average package is 7.5 to 8.2 lakh per annum. Number 2, Java. It is one of the most popular programming language that you have heard. It is created by James Gosling in 1991. The Java virtual machine makes it cross-platform compatible. It offers most of the jobs widespread acceptance and more popular among developers community. It is open source and platform independent. The applications of Java are scientific application, banking and financial services, web applications and mobile applications. Organizations which are hiring are IBM, HCL, Infosys, and the average package is 8 to 9 lakh per annum. Number 1, Python. The Python has been growing programming language. The Python-based web development framework like Django and Pyramid have more popular. The best thing, it is open source and easy to learn. It is the most demand language. If you are a beginner, you can learn it as it is high level language and easy to read and comprehend language. The applications of Python are web applications, desktop apps, network servers, machine learning, GUI based desktop application, enterprise and business, and data science. Organizations which are hiring for Instagram, Spotify, Amazon, Facebook, and the average package is 8 to 10 lakh per annum. So if you want to learn any of these languages, you can enroll at SSDN Technologies.